Is your Xbox One S running super slow and making you wait forever to play your favorite games? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Xbox faster step by step. Sometimes games take too long to load or freeze during the gameplay. This could be really annoying, but guess what? You can fix it right now by just doing a few easy things. So let's get your Xbox flying again. So now listen, the first thing is you're going to clear your cache. You hold down the power button until the Xbox turns off, unplug it for a few minutes, and then plug it back in and turn it on. This helps clean out the junk that slows it down, okay? Second, delete games that you don't play. Go to My Games and Apps. You're gonna press the menu button and select Uninstall. Freeing up space helps your Xbox run smoother. Number 3, turn off all the background apps. So you're gonna press the Xbox button, you go to Settings and then General and close unused apps. Fourth thing, you're gonna disable automatic updates. Go to Settings and then System and then turn off auto updates. This stops your Xbox from slowing down while updating. Fifth, restart your console weekly. It keeps it fresh and fast. And if this helped you, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.